In this video,
we will learn how to install ENB in GTA 5 Legacy. In order to set up ENB in GTA 5 Legacy Edition, firstly all you need to do is head to the browser of your choice. From here search for ENB GTA 5, then hit enter. After that head into the ENB dev website. From here you need to download the latest version, which is 0.492. Then click on download. After that your download will begin. After the download is done, just extract it into a new folder. Then head into the folder, head into wrapper version, copy everything from here, head into the installation directory of GTA 5 and paste it in here. After that is done, we can open up the launcher of our choice. From here we can launch the Legacy Grand Theft Auto 5. After that, and after getting into the game, you can press Shift plus Enter from your keyboard to access the ENB menu. From here you can select various settings and apply these changes to your game. So this you can easily set up ENB for your GTA 5 Legacy Edition and enjoy the game as you please. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.